What would you do if you're driving down the road and found yourself surrounded by men on motorcycles? Hi, I'm Mitch Berzon, a personal injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing here on Long Island. Today I'd like to take a few minutes to share two recent stories from the news that can help you protect yourself, your family, and your community. Whether or not you own or ride a motorcycle, you share the roads with them every day. You might have heard about the recent incident in Manhattan involving a large group of motorcycles and an SUV, which ultimately led to a terrifying chase and the hospitalization of at least one motorcyclist and the driver of the SUV. Just a few weeks later, 7 motorcyclists got together and went speeding down the LIE, weaving in and out of traffic from more than 10 exits before they were stopped by police. Not only did these riders put themselves and others in danger, they also made the road less safe and less welcoming for the majority of motorcyclists who ride safely and responsibly. These news stories, which are often sensationalized and raise more questions than they can answer, can make the roads more dangerous for everyone by causing drivers and motorcyclists to become more aggressive towards each other. So how can we use these stories to help protect you and those around you instead of making things worse? Simple. Everyone, from people on motorcycles to people driving 18-wheelers and everything in between, needs to be aware of each other on the road and to respect everyone's right to use the road safely. Those of you that do ride might do so for a variety of reasons. It's fuel efficient, it's affordable, it makes parking easier, and let's face it, it certainly looks like a lot of fun. You also know it can be dangerous though, and that speeding and going faster than the flow of traffic by weaving in and between vehicles and attempting to do special stunts or maneuvers on an open roadway puts you at great risk of injury. The recent news stories portray motorcyclists in a negative light, and an aggressive reaction asserting your right to the road is understandable, but simply not worth it. For those of you in larger vehicles, give motorcyclists room, not because you should be scared of them, but because a slight mistake on anyone's part can more easily lead to a serious accident and injury. It's your responsibility to share the road safely too. In the very unlikely event that you do encounter a group of motorcyclists that are riding in a truly dangerous fashion, back off. Call law enforcement when you can. If you have any questions about your rights and responsibilities as a driver or a motorcyclist in New York, please check out our website at bsb-lawyers.com. We have tons of information for you. You can request our free book by simply calling our office, 631-265-6300. If you've been involved in an accident or simply want information, give us a call. That's why we're here. We're here to serve you. We're here every day. Thanks for listening.